Every morning my wife cooks an egg for me and my daughter. She used to have to wait for the first egg to finish cooking before she could add the second one. And in doing so though, we were often late for school because it took time to cook both eggs separately. Because when she added a second egg at the same time in your standard non-stick skillet, which probably most of you have at home, you can see the two eggs mingled together. Now you have to separate them with a spatula. What a troublesome mess that is. Instead, we went ahead and purchased one of these. Well, it's got 4 single areas for eggs. Yeah, I know it says it's non-stick, but we have found whenever we cook eggs, whether it's non-stick skillet or not, it's always nice to put a little bit of oil inside. You can see this one has space for 4 eggs at once. So we can feed a whole family of 4 without the need to change over eggs. It also makes a nice small size. You want to give yourself an Egg McMuffin. And it works just as well as any other non-stick skillet. But now you have 4 separate eggs, which will satisfy any family of 4. If you like your eggs sliced up, then they're already done. But otherwise, you probably want to flip them over if you like the yolk nice and solid. Or if you want it to have over easy, just go ahead and cover it with a nice lid. And then I'll cook the top of the egg without getting the yolk too done. But we like ours over hard. So we flipped them and we cooked the second side.